guys, welcome back. GenXCruisin.com. Hey, this is Ken. I go by Whiskey Axe, my band name. Stage Fright's our band. My wife and I just got back. We were on an epic 14-day cruise on Harmony of the Seas out of Galveston, Texas. I was putting this online because I want to show you guys this. We were on our cruise. We played in the casino on and off. I had like $300 in free play for the first 7 days. And I actually hit a little teeny jackpot. I can't remember exact amounts. But we kept going down there every night in the casino, and by day 7, I got 2 of these, one for my wife and one for me, and this is for a free cruise. Casino Royale program is amazing. We've been now on 4 free cruises just off the casino program. And when I say free, it's not really free because you pay port fees and taxes, but the casino picks up the tab for the room. So like our last cruise, 14 days, we had a junior suite, didn't have to pay for the room at all. How this works is for every, I think it's like $4 or $5 per push you spend, you earn a point. And after so many points you've earned a free cruise certificate. So every night we were going down to the casino playing $40 or whatever. By the end of the cruise, we each had one of these on our first 7 nights of this 14-night cruise. By the time we got to the second half of the cruise, we each earned another one of these certificates. So 4 free cruise certificates in 14 days. The cool part about all this is I took my certificate and I took my wife's today, and we just booked a balcony suite on Icon of the Seas, which is the world's largest cruise ship. And that is going to be in September of 2025. We're going out of Miami, Florida on a 7-night on that one. And I'm super stoked because I want to see the Icon bad and haven't got to go yet. So anyways, just wanted to, I'm not trying to encourage gambling, but I want everybody to understand that this is a way you can actually earn free cruises once you're on board. So like the very first cruise we took, I had to pay a lot of money for. But I had the same thing. I had won a little jackpot, and by the time I got off the ship, I had free cruise offers and tons of them. So it's the Casino Royale program is amazing and definitely worth looking into if you like to play in there at all. So what else? That's about it for right now. We're going to hopefully be bringing you lots of quality content on this new page of ours. I don't know anything about video blogging. I'm totally new to this whole arena. I'm learning. I don't even have a good camera. It's an okay camera so far, but as time goes by, we'll keep sharing more and more stuff. Even things like we're with the band or with us going on different trips and different things. So just wanted to say hi to everybody and thank you so much for following us on GenXCruisin.com. And make sure if you aren't, please hit that subscribe button that you'll see down below. We can grow our audience and hopefully, really bring you some awesome stuff and bring our GenX community together. And if you have any cool GenX stuff that makes you GenX you want to share with us, go onto our website, GenXCruisin.com, and email us. If you got a clip of what makes you GenX or any cool pictures or anything like that. We just want to keep our namesake going and keep GenX alive. I'm sure you keep hearing my cat. Wait, I gotta show you cat. This is our crazy cat. Where's she? Say hi, Loki. There. She said hi. She talks all the time. And that's about it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll talk to you soon.